Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a text file to a USB flash drive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a USB flash drive and a text file that was created on your Mac computer. So we can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now bring in the USB flash drive into the frame. Insert that into the Mac computer. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, you will see that pop up on screen, USB-1. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Locate that USB flash drive on screen. Open that up. Let's now turn the attention to the desktop where we have ads.txt. Let's right click on this, copy, go within the USB flash drive, right click and paste item. We have now copied and pasted a txt text file within the USB flash drive. So let's now quit Finder. Let's now quit USB-1 by ejecting and removing. Let's now bring that back into the frame by reinserting into the Mac. Let that show up on screen. Double click on USB-1. Increase the size of the Finder window. Change the view, and there is that text file that was transferred via copy and paste onto the flash drive through a Mac computer. So we can now quit Finder. Highlight USB-1 and eject, remove. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.